Welcome back to the shop. I'm Jeff from Today's Craftsman, and we're here at the SawStop. And John actually just stopped by, and he said, "Oh man, what's this? There's metal dust all over the SawStop. Were you cutting metal?" I said, "Yeah." So a lot of people think you can't cut conductive materials on a SawStop saw, which is not the case. There is a way to do that, and I'll show you how. We've been cutting some of this aluminum grill material. So we built some cabinets recently that had HVAC units behind them, so we needed some grill. So the easiest and best way to cut this is on the table saw using bypass mode on the SawStop. So we'll get some close shots here of how you do that and some shots of cutting metal so you can learn how to do it on your saw. We're down here at the paddle switch for the saw, and there's a key here that can allow you to lock out the saw. We just keep our key in here all the time, but this is how you activate the bypass mode. So I'll tell you how it works and then show you, because it's going to make some noise. So what you do is you turn and hold the key, and you wait for this red light here to blink. Then you can turn on the saw. The red light will blink again. Then you can release the key and you're in bypass mode. And that's only good for one operation, so when you turn the saw off, the saw is no longer in bypass mode, so you need to do that every time. So we turn our key. Light blinks. So as you can see, you can cut conductive materials like aluminum on the SawStop. We've used this to cut literally 1 inch by 1 inch solid square aluminum bar. Woodworking blades perform really well on aluminum. There are specific blades for these non-ferrous metals. But yeah, if you have a SawStop, try it out. It's pretty easy. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm back to announce the winner of our giveaway. So I have the YouTube comment picker here, and I have the link in there. I have everything all filled out, so we can select a random comment. And the winner is Bentley Design Company. Congratulations. So we'll reply to your comment, and we'll get your address from you over on Instagram. I want to thank everybody for entering. I respond to all of the comments, good or bad, so we appreciate your comments. And Bentley Design Company, congratulations. We want some cool stuff. So stick around. We hope you enjoyed this giveaway. I'm sure we'll be doing some more. And thanks for watching.